After a year-and-a-half-long investigation, the January 6th committee has taken the historic step of criminally referring the former president of the United States, Donald Trump, to the Department of Justice for his attempts at overturning the results of the 2020 election. The committee is referring Trump for 4 different crimes: obstructing an official proceeding, conspiring to defraud the U.S. government, making false statements to the federal government, and of course, the most serious of all, inciting an insurrection. But while these criminal referrals and these crimes are very serious, they're pretty rare, they are still largely symbolic. These criminal referrals are not legally binding, and it will be up in the end to the Department of Justice, which is already conducting its own investigation into Donald Trump to determine whether or not to charge the former president of the United States. And while some of these crimes are pretty straightforward, like making a false statement to the federal government, proving that Donald Trump incited an insurrection will be a much harder thing to do. And the Department of Justice will likely want to make sure that it has plenty and enough evidence to make its case in front of a court of law, not the court of public opinion, and plenty of evidence to convince a jury beyond a reasonable doubt before it goes ahead and prosecutes a former president of the United States.